Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Zykel's 6800 watt car amplifier. This thing is absolutely wild. So let's open up, see everything that we get inside. And first and foremost, you get your manual. So it goes over a bunch of stuff in there. A bunch of different wiring configurations that you can go with this. So that is the amp itself. So let's cut that out of its little cardboard holder. This thing is so big. Okay. Okay, I mean, look at the size of this thing. Crazy. All right, so that's kind of a close-up. I mean, I guess flip it around so you can see the logos. Nice metal case to it, and then these are all your connections on that. Let me zoom out a little bit. So you have your ground, 1, 2, 3 grounds. You got your fuses, 25 amp dual fuses that are in here. Then you have your front speakers. So you got channel 1, channel 2. And then you have your rear speakers, channel 3, channel 4. So pretty wild. Okay, and then this is all your little dials. So that's your HPF. So it's from 50 to 250 hertz. LPF, 40 to 120 hertz. And then it gives you HPF, LPF, and full for each one of those. So gain, you have a min and a max. You have your in and out. So you have your in and out channel 1. Then you have your channel 2. That's your in. And then your out. And then you have your channel 3 and your channel 4. You have your gain for your front and the rear, separate gains in HPF. So that's pretty awesome. And then it has nice vents on either side. You have your 4 mounting screws. Depending on where you're going to mount this in your car or your truck, it does take up a little bit of space. So let me measure that for you, so you have a really good, clear idea of how big this is. So the body itself is 12 3/4 inches. With the bolt holes, you're looking at 13 1/2. And then wide, again, is about 8 5/8 wide. So I'll give you some good measurements on that. And then this is your accessory box. So let's see what you get included. So that's kind of like your light antenna wire, I guess you want to use for that. Then you have some red speaker cable. Then you have your inputs and your outputs on there. Then a whole bunch of little accessories and stuff. More splitters that come with it. Some mounting hardware. So yeah, I mean, it comes with enough to get you started. I don't know if that's like everything that you would need. I know personally I'm going to add a lot more speaker wire, so you may want to get that available. And then depending on how your connections are, but it's like a good basic starter pack to kind of get you up and running. And then if you need other stuff, you know, you can get it elsewhere. But it's just, again, like the main part of it is the amplifier, and then you're probably going to use a lot different connections and stuff for that. But yeah, 6,800 total watts. Wild. That's absolutely crazy. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.